Hello everyone and welcome back. In our previous episode, we learned that digital commerce is not just an online store. Instead, it is a complete ecosystem made up of different components that work together behind the scenes. Today we'll begin exploring the first component, known as the interaction layer. I like to call this the face of digital commerce. Why the face? Because just like we recognize a person by looking at their face first, customers also form their first impression of a business through what they see and interact with. This is where the customer's journey begins. To understand the big picture, remember that digital commerce is built on 5 distinct layers that work together to create one seamless experience. Today, we focus on the first layer, the face. So what exactly is the interaction layer? The interaction layer is the front end. It is every single point where you touch a brand. While businesses have complex databases and warehouses in the back, the customer only sees and interacts with the interface. Think about your daily life. When you order food using GrabFood, when you buy skincare from Shopee, when you browse TikTok Shop, or when you visit IKEA's website before purchasing furniture. All of these are examples of interaction points. Customers don't immediately see the warehouse. They don't see the payment gateway. They don't see the database. Instead, the very first thing they experience is the interface. This is why companies invest millions of ringgit designing beautiful websites and mobile apps. We call this the 3-second judgment, because customers often judge a business within just a few seconds. If the website looks outdated, if it loads slowly, if customers cannot find the search button, or if checkout takes too many steps, many customers will simply leave. This is called cart abandonment. In other words, customers put products into their shopping cart but never complete the purchase. As marketers, reducing cart abandonment is one of our biggest goals. Let's compare 2 situations. Imagine you're buying a pair of running shoes. You open Shopee. Within seconds, you can search for the product, filter by price, read reviews, watch product videos, chat with the seller, pay using your preferred payment method. Everything feels easy. Now imagine another website. The search bar doesn't work properly. Pictures take forever to load. The checkout page asks you to fill in 10 different forms. Would you continue? Probably not. You'd simply close the website immediately and buy somewhere else. That shows how important the interaction layer really is. Ultimately, user experience is about how you feel. Notice that I said feel. UX isn't only about making a website beautiful. A beautiful website can still provide a poor experience if customers struggle to use it. Good UX should make customers feel that shopping is simple, fast, convenient, enjoyable. A beautiful website is useless if it frustrates the user. Think about Grab. After you book a ride, can you immediately see where your driver is? Yes. Can you estimate the arrival time? Yes. Can you contact the driver? Yes. By enabling users to book with one tap, track in real time, and anticipate arrivals through direct chat, they create a, quote, frictionless experience. All of these features improve the customer experience. The easier the experience, the happier the customer becomes. And happy customers are more likely to return. Let me ask you a question. Think about all the shopping apps you have on your phone. Which app gives you the best shopping experience? Is it Shopee, TikTok Shop, Lazada, ZUS Coffee, Food Panda? Now ask yourself, why? There is no single correct answer, but every answer relates back to user experience. Many modern brands are, quote, going headless. This means separating the interface, the head, from the business logic, the body. Imagine you're wearing a new outfit today. Your clothes may change, but you're still the same person. Only your appearance has changed. Headless commerce works in a similar way. The business can redesign its website or mobile application without changing the system that manages products, inventory, payments, or customer orders. This gives businesses much greater flexibility. For example, Shopee can update its mobile app design while keeping the same back-end system. Customers enjoy a fresh experience without disrupting business operations. Before we end today's episode, let's test your understanding. Which of these is an example of the interaction layer? A. Warehouse management. B. Mobile shopping app. C. Payment gateway. Or D. Inventory database? If you guessed B, you nailed it. The mobile app is the interface that customers directly see and interact with, making it the critical first impression for any digital business. We have explored the face of digital commerce. It creates the customer's first impression. A well-designed interface and a positive user experience encourage customers to complete their purchases and return in the future. In the next episode, we'll move behind the scenes and explore the commerce engine, the brain of digital commerce. You'll discover how businesses manage products, prices, promotions, and customer orders without customers ever noticing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in episode 3.